So I'm up here to do my monthly review of how much my Airbnb made for its 5th month. I am filming in my room right now because there are people at my house and a change of scenery is always good, right? So welcome to my bedroom. I have everything written down. We are currently doing Vlogmas, so hello from the vlog. This video is probably going to go up before my first vlog, so I'm hoping you guys are going to be enjoying my Vlogmas updates of filming for every single day. Today is very stressful. Number one being is because this month for November did not make as much money as I was hoping. We are going into the slow months of Airbnb in Gatlinburg, so you know it's getting cold. Some people may be coming to ski and stuff, but I don't know. I'm prepared for the slow month. We have the money in the bank account for the slow month, but you know, it's not nice not making a lot of money like we were during summer. But real estate goes up, it goes down. Rental market goes up, it goes down. And I'm just thankful that we didn't lose money this month. So as you guys know, we're gonna do my expenses first. My rent is $14.75. Pretty high for how big our house is. Our house is only like 780 square feet, but it is in almost literally the heart of Gatlinburg. Well, it's at the entrance of Gatlinburg, so it brings in a good amount of people. January is looking pretty empty, you guys, so let's fingers crossed. We had a $30 maintenance fee. I think I had someone come and clean out our gutters for us, and that was only $30. So I did have a maintenance fee for November, and then my maid came 7 times for $700. So she charges $100 per visit. So they've been on it, they've been pretty good. The house is clean, the house looks great. My occupancy rate was only at a 61% for November, and I think we dropped prices in November as well. You know, to bring in more people, you want a price gauge. Weekends, you want to make it 200 plus, but weekdays we had to, you know, go down to 175, 185. November was, I feel like it was booked enough times, but because we didn't charge that much, we didn't get as much. December is looking better though, because December is, you know, higher up on how much we're charging, because December is a really good month to be there for Christmas. They have the Christmas parades, they have the Christmas light shows, they have, you know, Gatlinburg goes all out for Christmas, but November, oh, not that best. We had $109.75 to have our gas for this month. Pretty high, but you know, I'm not really gonna argue with that price. We had an electricity outage on our back porch. I wanted our lights up. That is like one of the #1 thing that people would message me about is, hey, you know, the fairy lights aren't on. How do we turn the fairy lights on? A lot of people love the aesthetic of the lights that we have in the backyard. So that's like their #1. That's not a complaint, but it is definitely a, what's going on? We want them on type of thing. It's very pretty on the pictures that I put up for our Airbnb. So a lot of people enjoy that ambiance. So I had to fix the power. There was a power box switch not working, like number 17, and that cost us $85 to have an electrician come out. I also vlogged that for you guys. You're gonna see that during Vlogmas. There was quite a few things we actually had to fix by hand because we didn't want to pay anybody if we could do it, and you know, it was things that people were bringing up to us, so it had to be done. Then we have Wi-Fi, which was $60 exactly. Not a lot of money to have my Wi-Fi out there. It's pretty awesome. Then we have an AC. So our AC did not have an outage, but it was not heating up for winter. So we went there to fix the outages and all of that, and every morning we would wake up and we'd be freezing. Apparently it was 30 degrees below what it was supposed to be, so that was $271.35. I'm very thankful that we went out there to experience what it felt like during winter, so that nobody would message us saying, hey, it's really cold in here, it's not heating up. So we just got that done, and we also put that AC guy on a schedule to come back every 6 months to just make sure that our AC is being, because it's an old unit, is being checked up on, make sure that it's running properly. When you get a rental, you don't only just want to stay there for summer, because you need to feel and see what people experience there at your property during summer, but winter is also very important because, you know, it's getting colder, you're getting snow, and you need to make sure that your house is prepared for the winter months as well. Took a good chunk out. We had a lot of expenses for this month. Utilities, $103.55. I think the utilities is my water bill or my electricity. Okay, it's my electricity. Stupid. So we had an electricity outage, that was $85. And then my electricity bill was $103.55. So that brings our expenses to a total of $2,834.65. If we didn't have the electricity outage, if we didn't have the AC problems, we would have saved an extra $400 in profit. So owning a home, a vacation property costs money. You're gonna have slow months. You have to be prepared for those slow months. We made a total, with an occupancy rate of 61%, we made a gross $3,224, and unfortunately we did not get booked on VRBO during November. Boo. We made a profit of $389.35. Like I said, we would have made more if we did not have those two problems happen, but it's still pretty low. We're still in the phases of trying to figure things out. We're going into the slow months. I'm not scared, but I am worried because January and February, everybody talks about those 2 months being pretty sucky, but at least we're going in it with profit and we'll be able to sustain ourselves during those months. We're also, you know, if nobody books, then we don't have any maid fees. So it's not the best. I'm actually kind of stressed, but everything's gonna be fine. It's, you know, it comes with the business, it comes with the territory. I'm prepared and I'm excited for December. December is already looking pretty good. For a lower, we have a lower occupancy rate during December, but we're making so much more money because December is a very hot time to be in Gatlinburg, so we can charge more. I'll give you guys a little update of my second property. We have not closed. I have looked at another one. You guys will see that in the vlog. I'm really hoping that we can close on this because, as you guys know, this is our third time going into contract on a house and not closing. So wish us luck for that. You guys voted to see the monthly updates of my Airbnb income and expenses, so I hope you enjoyed it. This is the reality of it. It's not always thousands of dollars being thrown into your bank account. This is the reality of it. So this is my 5th month update. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys will enjoy my Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more realistic Airbnb income updates, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.